Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a suggestion about how to fix this problem. So basically, I keep knocking this on trees and stuff in our woods back there. You guys can go check out some of my other videos on that. And so, I have had problems with knocking this thing. Thank the Lord I have not messed it up or anything, but I'm going to be giving you guys a suggestion on how to fix this. So basically, as you guys can see here, there is a spring. I'm sorry if you can't see it. There's a spring in there. And so it helps it to go up and down. So like this, watch. It just keeps it like that. And I got a bolt with a nut and a washer on it right here. And the spring, and then I got a pin right here, putting it in with that thing. So basically what I'm going to do, and I've actually tested this out in our woods. Basically what I'm going to do is going to take this about 3 to 5 inch bolt right here, and then stick it. So there's a hole right here. So you guys see that sticking out right there. There's a hole. I don't know if this is for this purpose, but there's a hole right here that I'll stick this up, and then I will stick this fly bolt, I think is what it's called, right here, and screw it on to this really long screw or bolt type thing right here. So let's just see how it works and see if it works out. Alright guys, so as you guys can see here, I got this thing right here. So I'm just going to put it right here through this hole, stick it up here. So this is so that I can hold it up, and then stick it right here. So this is my little setup that I used to do, which is not probably too safe because my leg could get caught, etc., etc. So basically what I'm going to do is stick this thing right here with this fly nut, a fly nut, and this bolt type screw that's about 3 to 5 inches long. Stick it through this hole right here, like this, and then I'm going to screw this fly nut on. Now you guys can fast forward to the end because this is going to take a good while. Right here. Let's see. This thing is so hard to put on. I can't figure out what the easiest way is to do to get this thing on. That's the only dumb thing about this. I actually made this up on my own, which is really cool. So for you guys, for you John Deere people out there, if you guys have problems like me, like knocking this thing or whatever when you don't have a lot of room, you can just do this. You can get a shorter bolt if you want. You can rig it however you want. But I was just giving a suggestion. Alright, here we go. Right there. So you guys can see there, it is, I can reach the entire deck and it's barely bending. Take this thing out right here. Ta-da! There we go. So you guys can see there, it is fully just sitting up on its own. Yeah, I think this is really cool if you ask me. And I made this up on my own. This is just a fly nut, a bolt type screw that's actually like 4 inches long, I'm guessing. It's actually really thin because the hole, it's like a square hole kind of. So you kind of have to have a thinner, sorry about that. You kind of have to have a thinner bolt right here. But you can't have it, it has to be a strong bolt or it'll bend because the spring is rusty and everything, so it can go back really fast or really slow. And so I got a washer. Wait just a minute, guys. Sorry about this. I got a washer right here under. So this nut did not have a washer, but then I replaced, and then I took this nut off, which is kind of hard. I'll show you guys in a second. And then I put a shiny new washer on there, so that so it doesn't scratch and everything. And I did not realize this, but that washer, since this part of the metal right here is bent, this washer kind of slows this down, which is good, I guess. So, alright guys, let's give this thing a test. But first I'm going to show you. Alright guys, so first I'm going to be taking this nut off right here. And then I'm going to be showing you guys the washer and the nut. And then this thing right here. So, first we obviously have to take this thing off. And I think I tightened this really tight. For just a minute here, got to get it in there right. Just a minute here. I'm sorry about this, guys. This nut is kind of worn. There we go. This might take a little while. Trying to get this on there. Alright, got that nut off. So this is the nut right here. It has like a tiny casing almost. Right here. It has a little red casing. Just a minute here. I'm sorry about this. Right there. You guys see that little red circle thing? It's only in the like the first like 2 or 3 threads. And you guys comment down in the comment section below why it has this. I need to do some research on it, which will probably be hard, which is kind of weird to research on a bolt. And this is the washer right here. Right there. Okay, so obviously I can't really take this off. See that? So this thing, so I have to take out that spring right here, which will probably be pretty hard. So I'm not going to do that. Obviously right now I have to figure that out for another video. But yeah, so this is, it's just the bolt, and I added this thing in. A bolt and this. And as you guys can see here, I think you got, so the metal right here is bent all around here. It's like in a circular motion type of bent. And so, this washer kind of is a stopper almost, but it's like a brake for this thing. So I'm just going to put this thing back on real quick. Just so you guys know, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. My bad. My tools are almost new. They're kind of shiny and slippery. So sorry about that, guys. Go ahead and do that. But yeah, and if you guys were wondering, this is a Craftsman ZAH. The measurement is 14 right here. Craftsman is a really, really good brand. So I recommend Craftsman. So let's just go ahead and tighten this a couple more times. You can never, you can obviously be too tight on stuff, but for me, I always want it tight so it doesn't pop off. So you guys see here, it is really steady. Obviously, I'm not going to go yay to it, but it's really steady. So let's just get on and test it.